female, they are being trafficked to all the metro cities, and because this area is far flung from the mainstream, so they are unheard, they are unidentified. So these two are very important aspects which I want to bring in this platform. We have all the policy makers, we have BIRD, very reputed organization BIRD here. We see names in our DCPU that BIRD is conducting this study and all. So that's why in a very short span, we came here to place our problem. So methodology, this is a qualitative study. So we have associated with us NGO, that is Green Valley Society. These female sex workers, which 5 of them, I have got 5 case studies here. These case studies are registered commercial sex workers in Udalguri district. So total there are 350 registers in one district only. In Assam, we know, like if I talk about my district, Udalguri, there is no such red light area identified. Neither government knows about it, neither the district administration knows about it. But there is one NGO which I found out. They work for the registered female sex workers in the district of Udalguri. And so with the help of them only, I could collect the data, I could interact, because these sex workers were very reluctant to talk with me, to share anything with me, because as they know that I was a government person, they had some kind of stigma, some kind of preoccupied thoughts that they were not very comfortable with me. So it's a qualitative study in association with Green Valley Society. So the researchers, we have done a convenience sampling method, because we also have very less time. So we did a convenience sampling method, we identified the sample, and then we have started the research in the model of case study method. So this is the procedure of the study. Selection of the sample, permission was very important in this regard. Rapport establishment, because without rapport establishment we could not proceed any study. Then we did the training to the counselors. There is one counselor, but not that trained and professional RCI recognized counselor or clinical psychologist, just a MSW, or maybe she was a master's in sociology, but she didn't have any kind of diploma in counseling, but she was working as a counselor there. So we did a little bit of counseling, a little bit of training to the counselor on how she will collect the data. Then we did the case study with the mother and then the child separately. Then we used art therapy. Why? Art therapy, will come to it later. We used art therapy, we used thematic art aspects, and then we have done the qualitative analysis. So the geographical location, as I have already mentioned, this is a very, very vulnerable district where I am posted now. Lots of trafficking cases are there. This is the geographical, we have also given the map of the district. And if a child is gone to Bhutan,